Hello, Andrew here today, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to install the Filteroo 5.5 rain and city water carbon block cartridge into your Filteroo Blue. I'm also going to show you how to install the mineral pad to elevate the pH of your water. And what you're going to find is that inside of the carbon block cartridge you're going to find a hard copy, and there's going to be step-by-step instructions on how to do this entire process here as well. If you're looking to remove fluoride from your water, you will need to install the Ultra Serum Fluoride Removal Ceramic Candle instead. Please check out the Ultra Serum install video for that. Before installing the carbon cartridge, you'll need to prime it. Priming your cartridges is a very quick and simple process, but it is a must, because if you don't prime your cartridges, it will take a lot longer for water to flow through them. It is really like soaking the cartridge all the way through so that when you install and flush it, you'll get the best flow rate from the beginning. The first step is to install the carbon cartridge. When handling the cartridge, we always recommend using a glove or the bag the cartridge is packed into to avoid touching the carbon part of the cartridge with your hands. Remove the locking nut from the cartridge stem, leaving one sealing washer on the stem. The next step is to insert the cartridge stem through the hole in the top tank from the inside out. Then secure the cartridge by screwing the locking nut onto the cartridge stem on the underside of the top tank until tight, but do not over tighten. Ensure the tap is in the off position. Place the top tank inside the bottom tank. Fill the top tank with cold water and allow this water to filter through to the lower tank. It is recommended to drain the first tank of filtered water to waste or the garden, as it may contain carbon fines. Now that you've installed and flushed the cartridge, the next step is to quickly rinse the mineral pad for 5 to 10 seconds under a flowing tap, and then you can place the mineral pad onto the base of the bottom tank of your Filteroo Blue. The final step is to put the top tank inside the bottom tank and fill it up with water. Your first glass of Filteroo water will be ready in no time. And that is how to install and flush the Filteroo cartridges into the Filteroo Blue. It's a very simple process, and we're here for you if you need any help or have any questions. Thank you and have a great day.